So there are three things. One, the risks are totally different. So the first and foremost thing that an equity investor does versus a debt investor does, obviously the risks are totally different. Like you and like the thought process in terms of you bring on the tables saying that this company has a bright future. Obviously nobody knows what the future holds. If you would have asked me a year back, we never knew anything like COVID could come in, right? So obviously there are risks whenever you're investing in anything, whether it's equity, whether it's debt. It's the transparency, and the other part is the thought process behind that investment. uh, it's more to do with the fact that if you're making an investment, it's a calculated decision. Then you make that decision. It can go right or wrong. uh, it always happens like that. But having said that, you reduce down the probability of going wrong. And when we invest, we diversify our pool so much that even if one or two investments go bad, the rest of the portfolio takes care of that. So if a retail, even if as a retail investor, I personally also always invest in very different things. So if I'm looking at electric mobility as the thing for the new future, I will also invest in something which is air purification, right, on your platform itself. Just giving you example. I will also look at something, renting furniture to rent a mojo or something like that. So what this does is that obviously, one, diversifies my risk. Second, it also helps me in terms of making sure that every every piece of the puzzle is related to something or the other from the future perspective. It cannot be just from a perspective of what I see today. I cannot invest in a company knowing what's happening just today and or taking a decision just based on what's happening today. If that would have been the case, I would have never invested in anything in retail in the last 6 months or 8 months. But this is the time you actually back companies with great entrepreneurs, great business models, and obviously tough times. Every business will go through highs and lows in life. The only thing is that the intention of the entrepreneur is to make sure that he makes money for all the stakeholders attached to it. So that's the first most important thing, that who are you working with is more important than what returns you'll get.